kindergarten. Let's go.
At Okaloosa County School District, we're reimagining kindergarten by building on what already makes our schools exceptional. Every child is met where they are, supported, challenged, and inspired to grow. Learning is hands-on, interactive, and designed for how young children learn best. Purposeful play is how children learn, building creativity, language, and problem solving. Strong instruction builds essential skills. Every child grows with support and encouragement. When children feel they belong, they thrive. Each day is filled with joy, discovery, and growth. From morning meetings to hands-on learning, to time to play, explore, and create. Play isn't a break from learning, it's how learning happens. It builds confidence, language, friendships, and a love of school. With caring, high-quality staff, safe and welcoming schools, and support for every learner, we create a place where every child belongs. Begin your child's journey today. It starts with us.